Morning and welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. I'm Barb Miller-Webb with MasterGraphics. Welcome to this chilly Tuesday on the last day of January. Listen, I came on because I really wanted to show you something that I obtained from GoPROTO. GoPROTO was kind enough to send me some parts from the Multijet Fusion HP that had been vapor smoothed. As you probably know, you can do a lot of things with parts once they've been produced. You can dye them, you can vapor smooth them, you can plate them, lots of post-processing options to make them even better looking for communication parts if needed. So let me get to it. First of all, here is a part, let me turn it the other way, from GoPROTO. Yay. This is TPA material. So you can see it's got lots of flexibility to it to allow various material or to allow various applications. Again, another great application, but check out the vapor smoothing that have been done on these parts by GoPROTO. Vapor smoothing parts just gives it that extra oomph that you need when you're presenting parts to your customers, right? So they look great. Again, TPU material, so it's got lots of give to it. So listen, if you want to talk to me further about Multijet Fusion HP, or we have AMT solutions for post-processing, vapor smoothing, cleaning options, as well as dyeing options, please reach out to me at MasterGraphics. Thanks. Go have a great day. Talk to you soon.